Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts try again later on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve too many attempts try again later on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat, and you click here in this page. As you see in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.